Maintenance and storage of PPE. Maintenance of PPE. Using a defective PPE gives the wearer a false sense of safety and may do more harm than good. All PPE should be regularly checked for performance and maintained in good working conditions so that the equipment can continuously offer the necessary degree of protection for which it is designed. In general, maintenance includes cleaning, disinfection, replacement, repair, examination, and testing. A maintenance schedule should be established for each piece of equipment and assigned to persons competent to perform the maintenance work. The schedule should include designation of personnel for maintenance of PPE and their responsibilities, performance checking, cleaning, disinfection, and storage procedures, information on the expiry date or service lifetime of certain PPE such as safety helmets, gloves, canisters of respirators, training on correct maintenance of PPE at the workplace, timetable for performance check, cleaning, disinfection and other maintenance work, and criteria for replacement. PPE should be examined to ensure that it is in good working order before being issued to the wearer. PPE should also be examined before it is put on and should not be worn if it is found to be defective, dirty, or in unhygienic condition. It is important that all PPE should be kept cleaned. Cleaning is particularly important for eye and face protective equipment where dirty or fogged lenses may hinder vision. All defective equipment should be taken out of service immediately and should be repaired or disposed of as applicable. A procedure should be established to alert all staff that a certain piece of equipment is under maintenance or is defective and should not be used. The procedure should be made known to all staff. Equipment after repair or maintenance should be checked for performance before it is put into service again. All PPE should be replaced when it no longer provides the level of protection required to protect the wearer or user against the particular hazard. When the service lifetime as specified by the manufacturer of the equipment has expired, or when it is damaged and cannot be repaired. Storage of PPE. All PPE should be provided with appropriate accommodation for the storage when it is not in use. The storage should be adequate to protect the PPE from contamination or damage by harmful substances, damp, or sunlight. PPE should be returned after use to the storage place provided. Where PPE becomes contaminated during use, it should be cleaned or disinfected as far as practicable before returning to its storage place. If this is not possible, the contaminated PPE should be separately accommodated to prevent cross-contamination and should be suitably labeled. Where quantities of PPE are stored, PPE waiting for maintenance or repair should be clearly segregated from those ready for use ones and should be suitably labeled.